please hit that like and subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Welcome to another useful video. It is a super exciting day today because we have the Lemfo Lem X smartwatch with us. This is a 2.3-inch screen size Android 7.1 smartwatch. And the screen is big on it, but it does have a flat tire on the bottom. And some of the other specs include a 8 megapixel camera, a 900 milliamp hour battery, and full access to the Google Play Store. Another huge bonus for this smartwatch is the fact that the straps are removable, and the unit in fact comes with some leather straps in the package as well, which we'll show you in just one moment. Now this is a pretty powerful smartwatch. It's got the Mediatek 6739 processor, 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage, and it has 4G LTE connectivity if you put in an appropriate nano SIM card. And on top of that, it also has GPS, a heart rate monitor, and also a translator that helps you translate languages into English or whatever other language that you may use. And in the box, you'll notice that it has a 4-pin charger, a screen protector, the tools to remove the straps as well as the SIM card. And there you have the additional pleather straps that you get with there, because the straps are detachable and removable and swappable, which is really nice. You also have the guide showing you how to remove the wristband and also how to remove the SIM card cover. And then finally you have the booklet for the instructions. So there you have it. This is the Lemfo Lem X. We're super excited to do a full review on it for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.